MuckStopper 450 User Guide. Recommended installation. Install the inspection chamber and first two risers. Insert the MuckStopper 450 into the top of the riser section. Push down the MuckStopper 450 until it is resting firmly on the inspection chamber base. Retrofit installation. Remove the cover and frame. Ensure the chamber is clean and clear of debris. Insert the MuckStopper 450 into the top of the riser section. Assemble extraction rods by screwing the sections together to the required length for the depth of the chamber. Push down the MuckStopper 450 using the extraction rod provided as necessary. When resting firmly on the inspection chamber base, it is in the correct position. Replace the cover and frame. Manual extraction using rod. Remove cover and frame. Perform visual inspection to assess the condition of the manhole and depth. Assemble extraction rods by screwing the sections together to the required length for the depth of the chamber. Loosen and dislodge any debris resting on the perimeter brushes into the bucket. The extraction rod is designed to scrape debris off the brushes. Link the extraction rod hook into the MuckStopper 450 hook. Carefully lift the MuckStopper 450 up the chamber shaft. Consider seeking assistance for heavy loads. Two-man lift is advised. Warning: take care. The brushes can flick debris on exit of the chamber shaft. Place the MuckStopper 450 on a level surface and disconnect the extraction rod hooks. Empty the MuckStopper 450 bucket into the correct waste stream. If this is a routine empty, replace the MuckStopper 450 after the task is performed. If not, fit the cover and frame.